It's Destinee's birthday.
Do it like it's my birthday. Do it like it's my birthday.
And we headed to the islands of
Jamaica. You're making me happy. You're making me crazy. You're making me...
Girl, you are doing too much. Yeah, the Jamaican restaurant.
I need to learn how
She out here wilding.
I need to learn how to do that dance. Do it like it's my birthday.
What are you doing?
I didn't learn how to do it.
What's up, guys? We're about to go eat some breakfast.
Yes, I'm hungry. Very hungry.
Yeah, all morning, but it looks beautiful outside in Jamaica.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Coco!
Oh, what?
That was the sound I was hearing last night.
We're on the beach chilling. About to go do rafting.
Absolutely.
Feels amazing out here.
Yeah, man.
Enjoying the weather.
Yeah,
Jamaica.
man.
What she say?
Yeah, man.
She's at the, she don't speak like that. Like she's from here.
Yeah. It's the water. So just for the record, I'm not coming back to America. I'm happy here. This is where I want to be. Everything's beautiful. The water's beautiful. The people are beautiful. Everybody's so nice. I love the United States. Pledge of allegiance to us all. But this is it, man. Period. Here go a little plane coming in. Spirit. Let it fly, Spirit, y'all. Not this go round. We do it.
What's your plan for tomorrow?
We're gonna excursion.
Go to the rafting.
I think somebody, let me go back.
Who's Angie? Hello. Hello. You said what?
Here is our refreshment stop, where we stop and allow you to purchase what you want, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, some of the time we're going down the river, and some people want stuff, understand me?
Yeah.
Like drinks, and there's none on the river.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
that's why we stop
Gotta start here. Okay.
Tell me the 1 o'clock talk.
I don't blame you. This COVID stuff is crazy.
Crazy, yeah.
Very. It is like how it just popped up out of nowhere.
Well, all you have to do is come. Move in Jamaica, man.
Right. I'm gonna be shining into tomorrow. Wow. Hi guys, welcome to A Day with Destiny, where we're in Jamaica and life is great.
Right here on the river.
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Yes, yes.
The Mexican restaurant tonight.
Yeah, I can tell you for doing it with the Mexican restaurant tonight.
Guess what, y'all? It's Destinee's birthday.
I hear Tristan being the hype man.
It's your birthday. Secrets at the secrets. She has some secrets at secrets. Secrets.
No, that commercial will be like, secrets.
Okay, so apparently I don't really know how to put the camera. This is my third take. Like, Lord Jesus, y'all, this is my third take. So thank y'all. Hopefully y'all can see my mouth this time, because the first time you see my eyes, the second time you just see here. Hopefully I hope this time that y'all can see my mouth. But thank y'all again. This is my last video, I promise. So I just had made a video trying to, you know, say thank you and everything like that. But unfortunately, the video was like this close. But anywho, I also want to say thank you to Tristan for making this trip possible. I want to say thank you to all my friends, my family, and people I don't even know who just said happy birthday. Like, that means a lot to me. I'm a very big birthday person. So yeah, thank you. I'm excited to be here. I'm happy to be doing something I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to come to Jamaica. So I'm so excited to be here, and thank y'all so much. Like, sorry, the sun is killing me. I'm looking at my lips. I'm just hot. It's very hot. But I could cry right now. That's just how excited I am. I could really just break down in tears, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep it cute, keep it classy. But yeah, thank y'all so much. I appreciate it. Love y'all. Mean it.
How is it?
Yeah, man.
Drinking some coconut juice. Straight from the trees.
It's not coconut juice, it's coconut water.
Oh, coconut water. Straight from the trees, man.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
Hi, y'all. Again. So right now the time is like 8:28. Look how dark it is outside. Like, this is very new and foreign to us because at 8 o'clock it is dark, but we in the city, so we see a little bit light. But right now we're going on a romantic dinner at the beach. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's where we're about to go and eat some good food and live our best life.
Alright. There you go. Food's here. There you go. Last view of Jamaica before I leave.
Pick us up at 2, but I guess they came early.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So that's Tracks and Record owned by Usain Bolt.
Thank you.
So over here is Magardaville, also bar and grill in the day,
Yeah.
and boat roads can take you to the airport. So this is a history, and we have a tap road up here. Well, I'm going to drive the history because there's a lot of stuff to show you over here, because I'm not sure the driver that take you to the resort.